Let's check it out. We are doing a 5-speed conversion on this shorty in the background here, and we have just used one of McKinnons Cruisers crossmembers. One of these bad boys is up inside, holding that gearbox up in there. Now, these are a direct replacement for the HJ47 crossmembers. They've been running out for a while now, and McKinnons has come to the rescue. They're on the shelf. You can buy these things, so direct replacement. So if you're doing your 5-speed conversion, or you're putting a 2H in an early FJ45, then this is what you'll need. So, and there are a few variants. You've got like this one, you've got the different L brackets. Now this is an L bracket for HJ47 with this configuration. Now there are also configurations for the shorty, which are slightly longer, and then you've got your different center cross members for your 1HZ conversions, for the change in the angle. So these things are absolutely bulletproof. They're about 10 times stronger than the original ones. They're made out of 5mm steel all round, all laser cut, and they've even put a little radius there to follow the shape of the chassis. So they are on the internet. So get yourself on the internet. www.MrLandcruiser.com. You'll find the cross members there amongst loads of other really cool products for these 40 series Land Cruisers. So get on there, check it out, and buy something.